Hi everyone, welcome back to our Cyber Cloud channel. Today's class or today's video, I will show you how to crack a zip file password using the tools available in Kali Linux. One is the John the Ripper and second is the fcrackzip. Now we're going to let's dive in. This is going to be hands-on and powerful. Okay, so we're going to crack the password of the zip file by using the two tools. One is the John the Ripper, second is the fcrackzip. For this one, first I just log into the Kali Linux. See this? Just log into the Kali Linux here. This is the Kali Linux. Here, just log into the Kali Linux. Then here I go to the terminal here. Then here I create a file. Here I just log into the root by typing sudo su. Then I create a file. Here I create a file. Here see this. I create a file. How to create a file in the Kali Linux or Linux? Cat space greater than followed by the file name. This is the file name. So I created a file name. What is the file name here? Cat greater than java.txt. Then I add some data. Any random data. Okay. Then I add some random data. Done. Then after that, to save and exit from the cat, because cat means concatenation, cat followed by greater than, we create the file. To save and exit, press Ctrl D. Press the what? Ctrl D. Now press Ctrl D. So there is a file is there. When I type ls here, there is a file is there. What is the file name is there? Okay, I created a file. What is the file name is there? Java.txt. Then this file will going to create a zip file. We're going to create what? Zip file. We're going to create a zip file. Okay. So here in the case, what happens here, if you create a zip file. So to create a zip file, what is the command here? Zip -c followed by java.zip. They are creating a zip file from the file java.txt. Java.txt is a file. I'm going to create a zip by using this command. Okay. Just now I'm creating a zip file. Okay, to create zip file. Then it asking for the E means encryption. E means setting the password. I am creating zip file with the password. I am setting the password here. See this, I am setting the password. I am setting the password as ABCD. Okay. So remember that I am setting the password as ABCD. Now I set the password. To unzip here, it asks for the password. Here. So when you type here, see this ls, type ls here. Okay, type ls here. If you check here, there is a one zip file is there. That is the name with the javid.zip. So now created a zip file. What is the name here? What is the name of the file here? Javid.zip. Okay, javid.zip. Okay, see here. Okay, there is a one file is there, created as javid.zip. To unzip here, when you try to unzip here, how to unzip here? How to unzip in Kali Linux generally? Here this is the command to unzip javid.zip here. When I type here unzip here, okay, unzip javid.zip, it asks for the password because we set the password for this one. It asking for the password. But thing is there, I don't know the password. If the zip file is there, it is a zip file. So now I forgot or I don't know the password. Then how will you crack? Understood? How will you crack? For this one, the first thing is there, we're going to use the tool called zip2john. Okay, zip2john. Okay, we'll use the command zip2john. Okay, just type here zip2john. So when you execute this command, I use the zip2john. This is the file is there, java.zip file is there. This password has a hash, this is encrypted. It will greater than means it will, this zip file hash is copied to this file. What is the file name? Hash.txt. This hash, you can give any name. You can give here 123txt also. This hash, what is that? This having a password is there, which is stored in the hash. This hash is copied into this file. What is the file name is? Hash.txt. Understood? Hash.txt. Understood? Then what we need to do here, Okay, this zip2john here, when you type here zip2john javit.zip, and it will the hash file is copied into this file name. What is the file name here? Hash.txt. Then this hash will be copied into the John file. Okay, John file. Want to do the password. You want to do the John hash.txt. What is the hash file here? John hash.txt. Hash.txt. Then paste here. Now it showed the password here. See here, it done by using the John the repair tool. So the hash is loaded into this John tool. Then it do the password cracking. Show the password. This is the password. Okay. Or else you want to do the password cracking, you can use the one password default password list is there. What is the password list? Rockyou.txt. There is one rockyou.txt file is there. తెలీదు క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా మాట్లాడతాను నీకు ఉన్నా కూడా చెప్పలేను కదా ఓకే హలో ఓకే హియర్ this is the password list okay, this is the password list is there, where the default password list is there. Okay, so this is the password list is there, /user/wordlist having here the password list is there. To crack the password, this is the hash is loaded in the this here, this hash is there, this location. Okay, you see here, this is the location is okay. You see here the location where hash file is there, hash file is there. So this hash file need to crack the password by using the this password. This is the word list, default list of the Kali Linux, and this is the hash. This hash is compare with this password list and break the password by using the John the Ripper. You understand here? Now if you use this John the Ripper tool, when I load this hash, it shows the password. What is the password is there? ABCD. It is the ABCD. Okay. Another tool to crack the password here. Another tool to crack the password is the fcrackzip. What is that? fcrackzip. So for this one, first we need to install the fcrackzip. Here, how to install this? apt install fcrackzip. Then it will install the fcrackzip. Then again we will do the crack the password. Here I create a file. What is the file name is? cat greater than any file. Okay, I find the create a file. Again I create a file. Okay, I create a file here. Okay, then I add the data here. So I have added here. Okay, any data added. Then save here control D. Then once I added the data, I will do the again zip. How to do the zip here? Zip -e new zip.txt. Mean that this file name, this is the file name new.txt. It is converted to zip because we don't have any zip file. We are creating the new zip file. Here zip.-e new.zip new.txt. Okay, here it will make that zip file new.txt will be converted into the new.zip. And E means setting the password. Here tasking the password. Remember that I am setting the password is 12345. Understood? Setting the password as 12345. Done. Then after that, when you type to unzip this file, what is the file name is 100.zip. Okay, 100.zip. Okay, 100.zip. Okay. Here it asking for the password. Understood? Then it asking for the password. See here, it asking for the password. Now we are going to crack the password. To crack the password here fcrack -zip. This is nothing but a D minus. This is the username. What is minus P means password list. The default password list there in the /user/share wordlist.rock.txt, and the file name is the new.zip. This file name I want to do the crack the password by using this password list. Do the brute force. Then I run this command. Then I run this command. Here, when I run this command, paste here. Then the password is 1235. You got it? Password is what? I set a password 1235. So it is calculated the password. Hope you understand the video and learn the two powerful ways to crack the zip password on Kali Linux. Always use the tools ethically and legally. So this is for the education purpose only. If you like this video, like, share and comment your questions below. Don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Okay, there are other contents are there like freshers job for IT. Then go to the charts and check your videos. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe me.